Hi there, this is Paige with Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you the project that I made for the collab I'm doing with my friend Jill, who is Jill May Creations here on YouTube. Each month on the 25th we share a project that we have found on the internet, either Pinterest, blogs, websites, YouTube, whatever, and we recreate that project and share it with all of you who tune in to watch. So I made something called a 4-panel fold box, and I didn't write down whose video I watched for this. I apologize. If I can find it in my history, I will do so and add a link down below. But you take a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock and you score it at 2 and 4 inches on all 4 sides, and then you cut off the 3 outer squares. You miter that last little square, and then you fold your box together. And then for layering pieces, you need 4 that are 3 3/4 by 1 3/4, and you need 4 pieces that are 1 3/4 square. So I used this paper called the Winter Mat Stack. This was gifted to me by my friend Linda. Fun patterns in there, love it. And this is the box that I made. So I used some navy cardstock in 12 by 12, followed the scoring and cutting directions, and then used several patterns from that paper pad, and then this is one of the cut-aparts on top. And then the box will open up like that. I've got some paper down at the bottom, and then it's a pretty good sized box. It'll hold quite a bit of treats or little crafty goodies. And then you just go around and fold it up like you do a regular shipping box, and it's all ready to go. I will leave a link down below to Jill's channel so you can check out her project idea for this month. I'd like to thank all of you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.